Your YouTube shorts are stuck? Getting 0 views? It's soul-crushing. The problem? Your videos aren't hitting the shorts feed. In the next 2 minutes, I'll give you the exact secret to go from 0 to viral. First, your foundation. Start with an aged account. If you don't have one, create a new Gmail and warm it up. Watch shorts for about an hour over 2 to 3 days. Act like a real user. Next, find your high-demand, low-competition niche. Scroll shorts. See what hooks you. Use tools like YT Large to confirm channels are monetizable. Pick something you're genuinely interested in. Then, curate your feed. Engage relentlessly with content in your chosen niche, like comment, subscribe, train the algorithm to show you more of what's working. Now let's make content that actually hits the feed. The hook is everything. The first 3 to 5 seconds are make or break. Hook viewers instantly, or they're gone. Retention is royalty. This is your primary metric. Aim for over 100% watch time on 15-second shorts by making them rewatchable. Think seamless loops. For 30 seconds, target 85%. For 60 seconds, aim for 70% plus. Quality and originality. Your video must be 9 by 16 vertical, 1080p or 4K. Use CapCut. It's easy. Don't just re-upload. Add your own spin, AI voices, text overlays, sound effects, zooms. Make it unique. Stop wasting time. For the shorts feed, hashtags, descriptions, SEO, and thumbnails simply don't matter. Your content speaks for itself when people are scrolling. With your foundation and content ready, it's time to execute. Post once per day. Maintain consistent daily uploads to train the algorithm. Double down on outliers. As soon as one video performs better than the rest, that's your goal. Take that format, that idea, and repeat it with a small twist. If most expensive cars goes viral, try most expensive boats. Keep repeating this winning formula. Keep improving. Every video is a chance to refine. Analyze your analytics, see where viewers drop off, and make the next one better. Don't give up. You will face low views. YouTube often tests creators. Push through. Your older videos can blow up later. Monetization and scaling. Hit 10 million views in 90 days for monetization. Once you're consistently viral, outsource your editing via Discord or Twitter. Train them to replicate your winning style. Repeat and scale across multiple channels. This is the secret that consistently generates millions of views. Apply these straight facts. Your viral journey on YouTube Shorts starts now. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more growth hacks, and let's conquer shorts together.